Hi guys, welcome back to another market review video. So let's begin this video. So in front of you, this is the gold chart, and this is weekly time frame. And you can see this week closing we were pretty weak. From few previous weeks, we can see this one is a strong closing, and this one also a strong closing. But this week we closed very weak, and we made something like shooting thing. You can see this is a doji candle here, and in previous market review I told you that if it doesn't sustain above previous week high, we're definitely gonna see some retracement or some retracement or rejection towards down values. So let's start. So this week closing was not that much good like previous weeks. So this week I'm gonna expect at least price to this FEG, like this is a at least price can come to so this weekly FEG, and then start going upside. But on daily time frame, if you see, this is the previous week high. Wait, I mark it, previous week high. So you can see on Monday we give a strong breakout here, but further PA doesn't sustains above this previous week high, and we fall back to this daily FEG here. Wait, I mark it too. So right now, what's the condition here is like on weekly we have a very weak closing, but on daily it is on this FEG. So price is also trapped in this candle range, if you see. So I want to see some Monday movement to break this range. If it doesn't break this range, then this can be a tough week for gold to move out, and I will wait for a breakout here, like a proper breakout to either side to trade. Like if it sustains above this, then definitely a good draw will be this high. But if it doesn't sustain above this, that means we can go to some these FEGs here. So this much for gold. Right now I'm just waiting for some confirmation, either it goes downside or upside, or some fake out can also happen here. So for gold, this is all my analysis. I'm not much pretty sure about direction this week. And for NQ, you can see we take this low. Wait, I mark it. Sorry. So for NQ, you can see we took out this low and doesn't sustain below this and start rejecting to higher values. So this week we take this high. This was a equal highs on daily time frame. So right now, what's my idea on NQ is there is a gap here. So I wanted to close above this gap to give some more confirmation to these highs. Plus, I guess we will also check the TPO chart here. And if we check weekly time frame, this is a pretty good closing above this high also. So wait. So I'm expecting at least this high for next week. This is a close target here. So on this, if we shift to 1 hour time frame, so what I want here is like a good PA above this strong PA above this gap, like making higher highs and following lower values here. Then we can expect this area and this area, and I want to see how Monday reacts to this range. If it stays doesn't sustains above and can keep come back to this range, then I will see for this FEG, small FEG here, or this gap also here can send price to higher. But I want to see like how it sustains above this, because I don't want to uh, I want to see how it sustains here. That's the basic thing for peer development. Either we go back to this lows if we does sustain, and if we sustain, obviously this highs are pretty good targets. So this was for NQ. And for BTC, after this fake breakdown from here, BTC has given very good bullish rejection from this low, and this high is a good target here. So it can also go to all-time high. I want here is like if daily this so if this daily FHE holds here, then obviously this target is good, and so it's a week. So it's weekend also. So PA most probably PA gonna be dead on weekends, and Monday opening will be some important thing to watch out. You can see here too much liquidity here. You can see amount of candle wicks here. So I want to see like it has taken this high also, and if it doesn't sustain here, then maybe some lower values again stay sustaining in this range. You can see it's a pretty good range here from this high to this low, and if it doesn't sustain here, we can come back again to range and just staying in sideways price action. But if we sustain, then obviously we're gonna be going for higher values here. So this was also pretty good for BTC. I mean, next week is going to be slow in gold, but NQ and BTC can give some good things. So I'm gonna keep eye on these two pairs more. So this is the DXY. As I told you that if we check monthly, I don't know why this indicator is not going good. So if we check monthly here, we haven't sustained, we haven't given body closure, still 5 days left, but we haven't given a proper body closure below this lows, and this FEG reaction is also very good. So as I told you that this rejection, this might be a good reversal here, and in that reversal video I discussed about this, like if we sustains above this high, so if we sustains above this high, we can definitely go for higher values. Like if you see the price action here, we are pretty much stuck in this range. You can see. So I also want to see how it reacts here. No prediction here. Maybe we go some downside and then go for upside, or start rejecting from here. So let's see how it goes. So for next week, I'm more focused on NQ and BTC. For DXY and gold, I'm a little confused for price action. Like this is a consolidating price action, and generally I avoid this type of trades for me personally. So that's much for this video. I hope you understand what's the next week plan. So thanks for watching.